Is your departure day for Hajj or Umrah here? Feeling confused about Ihram, Ghusl, and Miqaat? Let's make it simple. Before leaving, trim your nails and remove unwanted hair. Many people think this is part of a required ritual bath, but it's not. This is simply preparation, because after entering Ihram, you cannot cut nails or hair. Now, what about the bath before Ihram? It is just a normal shower, not a compulsory ritual bath. You can bathe normally. It is recommended for cleanliness, but not required. After that, you may wear Ihram at home, or travel in regular clothes. Pray 2 units of Nafil, make dua, and begin your journey. Important point, you enter Ihram only when you make the intention. At that moment, wear Ihram if needed, make intention, and recite Talbiyah. This is when Ihram truly begins. Miqat are specific boundary points that cannot be crossed without Ihram. There are 5 main Miqat points. Tul Hulayfa for people from Medina. Jufa for people from Syria and Egypt. Qarn al-Manazil for Najd and Riyadh. Yalamlam for people from Yemen, Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh. Dat Irq for people from Iraq. Remember, Ihram is done only once, before or at Miqat. You do not wear Ihram again after reaching Mecca. And the bath is just for cleanliness, not an obligation. This was your complete departure day guide.